Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your lead generation with Salesforce, complete guide step by step clearly. In this video, we'll explore how to fix your lead generation with Salesforce. Start by logging into your Salesforce account. Once logged in, navigate to the home screen. Locate the app launcher in the upper left corner. Click on App Launcher and type Leads in the search bar. Select the Leads option from the drop-down. Now, review your current lead records. Identify and analyze any gaps in your lead data. To improve data quality, go to the Data Management section. Here, you can set up validation rules for your lead fields. Create mandatory fields to ensure all crucial information is captured. Next, implement a lead assignment rule. Navigate to Setup and type Lead Assignment Rules in the Quick Find box. Click on Lead Assignment Rules and create a new rule. Define criteria for how leads should be distributed among your team. Save and activate your new rule. Now, let's enhance your lead capture process. Integrate web forms with Salesforce. Choose a form builder that allows direct data submission to Salesforce. Design your web forms to capture essential information. Make sure the forms are user-friendly and mobile responsive. Once your forms are ready, test them to ensure they function properly. Next, set up Salesforce campaigns to better track your leads. In the Campaigns tab, create a new campaign for a specific lead generation strategy. Label it clearly and set a duration for tracking. Link your web forms to this campaign so all captured leads are attributed correctly. To track the effectiveness of your lead generation efforts, utilize reports. Go to the Reports tab and create a new report for leads. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.